If you ever need to log out of ChatGPT, whether you're switching accounts, using a shared device, or just want to sign out for security, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the simple logout option. And if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and make sure you're on the main interface. Once you're inside ChatGPT, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where your profile area is located. You'll usually see your name, profile icon, or account initials there. Click on that profile section to open the account menu. After the menu expands, you'll see several account-related options. One of those options will be Logout. Click on Logout, and ChatGPT will immediately sign you out of the current account. If you're using a shared computer or device, this is a great way to keep your account secure and make sure no one else can access your chats. If you want to log back in later, simply return to the ChatGPT sign-in page and enter your account details again. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of ChatGPT. It really is that easy. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick guides like this, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.